We've been blessed. We are able to represent lots of different manufacturers. Our primary lines are with Alliance Laundry, which is made up in Wisconsin, which is Unimax, Bequeen, and Hipsch. We're able to represent those brands. We find them to be very, very, very reliable. We also been able to represent a company called Fagor, which is out of Spain, as well as Continental, Kerbau out of Spain. Very reliable machines. We're able to really help a customer choose price, features, and longevity, and trouble-free. And it's a little bit of a balance. There's some machines that, like our Unimac, which is on our on-premise laundry side. It's a very expensive machine, but it's also very, very, very robust. I mean, that's a 15, 20-year type life instead of a 10 to 15-year life. So that all goes in consideration. But to be honest, they're all doing better at making sure quality is at the top of their list. Each of those manufacturers can also offer different models within that. So just kind of like a car dealer, that there's might be different models that are more reliable. But it also comes down to the customers. Are you taking care of the machines? Are you doing or if you got water leaks, are you fixing it? Are you causing failures because you've ignored the machine versus the manufacturer putting subpar parts in it or a design problem? So it really is a combination of education of what models for what use and application, and that you're selecting the right one. And two is, when you do have it, are you doing all the recommended preventive maintenance to make sure you've got years and years of trouble-free use out of it?